Let's make some blueberries waffles for lunch. Hello, welcome back to the kitchen. We're going to make waffles for lunch. A mix from Bob's Red Mill. It needs to be 1 cup of flour. It's a 1/2 cup measuring spoon because it fits in the bag. These are real easy to make. Two tablespoons of oil. One egg. As usual, the eggs are from my daughter. They have chickens. And 1 cup of water. This mix makes either pancakes or waffles. The difference is the amount of oil and water used. I get a different mixer. And I'm going to get some blueberries. A couple stems I don't want in the mix. I think that's nicely mixed. Okay, now I want this measuring cup. And step over here to waffle iron. It's been preheating on medium. Put some spray olive oil on it. Take our 1/2 cup. And another 1/2 cup. Dump it on there and close the lid. Waffle irons are weird. They say 4 to 5 minutes or until they stop steaming. So right now it's 11:58, so I got about 4 or 5 minutes, and I will bring you back when I check them. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes, and as usual during the time I'm waiting, I cleaned up my mess. So let's check the waffles. Come on, open up. Oh, that looks good. A little crispy on the outside. Just take and move that over here to the plate. Get the spray oil again and hit it. Close that one up. And we'll wait another 4 minutes. Okay, it's been another 4 minutes, and this one is still steaming a little bit, but that may be because of the blueberries. And some of you may have noticed that good. I've got the waffle iron on a, blueberries are hot, on a cookie sheet. And I did that so that if it spilled over, it would not make a mess on top of the stove. Okay, let's do our last one. I'm going to spray oil again. And put the last of the mix onto the iron. This one will come out a little bit smaller. It may not take as long. The other thing I'm doing is covering up the waffles that just came off the waffle iron with a towel, help keep them a little warmer. So I'll be back in another 4 minutes. Okay, last 4 minutes is gone, so I'll pop this open. This one needs a little bit more time. This one needs about another minute. Not quite brown and crispy enough. Okay, let's check it again. That looks better. And move it to the plate as well as unplug the iron. So here's our waffles. And put a little butter and some real maple syrup on top. And that'll be my lunch. I don't think I'm going to eat them all. I'll save some for my wife. So anyhow, thank you for watching. If you like this, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. See you on the next one.